Let's learn how to pronounce the T and D consonants in American English. An unreleased D consonant sounds like this. Made. That's the unreleased D sound. You still make the sound here with your vocal cords. You still want voicing and vibration. The tongue tip comes up, the vocal cords vibrate, and you feel vibration here in the throat and at the alveolar ridge. The air builds up, and then that's it. Now the unreleased D in the phrase, had to. I use an unreleased D consonant here because the next word, to, begins with a consonant. The tongue tip comes up for the unreleased D and the vocal cords vibrate. Then the tongue tip remains in contact with the alveolar ridge as I transition into the next sound, the T in to.